Thank you for watching the unboxing for the JVC HAET103BTBs. This is their extreme wireless fitness series, so they promise an extra bit of bass output. They come with this handsome, sturdy carrying case. These are the headphones themselves. They have a 3-button remote control with built-in microphone. That's also where you charge the unit. And this really great earbuds. They have a rubber back to them. They just have a really strong, sleek, nice feel. The carrying case themselves is made out of sturdy plastic, and this one contains the USB to micro USB charging cable and 4 additional ear tips. The tips are going to be small, medium, large. There's 2 tips already on the unit itself. And of course, it comes with the instructions and warranty information. Thank you very much for watching the JVC HAET103BTB unboxing video.